Hello, this LP3 training video is for config and miscellaneous info. So under config menu, miscellaneous info, the following: customer, the next account number. So the very next account number that will be issued to a new customer when you make the next loan. If you were maybe transferring from another software, or maybe you transfer a location to a new location, transfer in accounts, something like that. Maybe you want to start account number at a certain, instead of starting at 1 or 100 or 1,000, maybe you want to start at 5,000 or 10,000. This a lot of times is only done whenever you first start issuing loans. But this is where you would set the next account number that would be issued to the next loan whenever you're issuing a new loan under your software, right here. Privacy, share non-public info. This either can be set to disabled, no or yes. Privacy notice, so print in daily letter. And the options for that are print all in letter, disabled, no printing for the privacy notice, or print with loan and in letter. And right now it's set to print with loan and in letter. Charge off age. This is the age that the software will automatically charge off customers if they are at this age at the end of the month. So anybody, for instance, this is November, anybody that was a 4-month status, and let me go ahead and explain that by pulling up collect account. Collect account shows you who is in current status, alphabetically A through D, E through J, K through R, S through Z. And there's 15 people, 1 month. So 1 day through 31 days past due, there's 181 people. And then in the 2-month, which would be, say, 32 to 60 days, 3-month, 4-month. So at the end of this month, anybody who is in the 4-month category, which is 31 people, if they're still haven't made a payment, right now under miscellaneous info, they are set to charge off at the end of the month. Well, you can have it manually charge off to where you only add people to the charge off list, have them at 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. If you're a new business and you don't understand charge off and you want to just keep people from charging off automatically within the software, you just set this to manual. But a lot of customers, once they've been running for a while, they understand how the charge off works, and they will set this to automatically charge off. Now, throughout the month, you can still work those charge offs, and if you have this set to automatically charge off, then you already understand how it works, and it won't be a problem. So file groups. Notice under collect account, we had A through D, E through J, K through R, S through Z. So we had alphabetically last name starting with an A through last name starting with a D. So we have 4 groups here of A through D, who's in current, A through D, who's in 1 month, 2 month, and total. So we've pretty much, instead of alphabetically having one large group, A through Z, we've split their last names up into 4 sections of the alphabet. Well, this is where you set how many groups you want to have within your software. We could have A through Z here, and then there would only be one group. This allows you to segment up so that, say, if somebody is collecting on accounts, they can work A through D, somebody else can work E through J, K through R, and S through Z. You can set this according to however you like, but having a few groups to break things out just allows for more people to kind of break up collection activities whenever you're doing that collection work. So that's the items under miscellaneous info and customer. Other, external mailer contact log, turning on or off, and text opt-in method. If you're going to do text messages out to your customers, you can opt them in through signing in the contract, manual opt-in, or text message code opt-in, where you send them a code and they opt in from that code. When your business sets up text messaging, then we'll go in here and set up according to how you want to do your text messages to your customers. So this is the config miscellaneous info section Thank you very much.